Hey beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about an hair oil that has been trending on TikTok and it's known for its rapid hair growth and thickening of the hair. So I'm talking about Amla Oil. This hair oil has been a staple for Indian women to grow out their hair. It's made from the fruit Indian gooseberries. It's high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and polyphenols, which means it has potential hair boosting benefits. Amla oil has a strong smell, which some people are not a fond of. I came across a few videos on how Amla oil is applied on the hair by Indian women. You can clearly see how the scalp massaging takes place, and it was really satisfying to watch and to look at, and seeing how these women apply the Amla oil on their hair. This one was really funny and it reminded me of how black women or the black culture or black mamas was applying oil on our hair. This was really funny. So if you're still here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of hair videos and other stuff, and I would really appreciate it. Some benefits of Amla oil are: it promotes hair growth, it strengthens the scalp and hair, it prevents or treats dandruff and dry scalp, it prevents scalp infections like lice, and it prevents your hair from graying. The downside of using this oil is that it contains ingredients that are very drying to the hair. And one of those ingredients is mineral oil. Mineral oil is used as a byproduct for making gasoline. It's used in skincare products and hair care products as a moisturizing agent, but it's FDA approved and can be used in cosmetics. Research also shows that it's safe to use. I read in another article that mineral oil also causes buildup on the scalp, and it causes strands to become stiff and lifeless. So I really don't have a problem using Amla oil on my hair as long as I don't overuse it, and I apply it twice a week. And this one is called Amla Plus Herbal Hair Oil. I couldn't find a link on Amazon, but I found one on eBay. This one contains hibiscus, aloe vera, and almond oil. And I actually was searching for the dabur oil, but I couldn't find it anywhere. This bottle is also linked in my description. Go check it out. I mix my Amla oil with 3 other oils. I use vitamin E oil from As I Am. I also use Jamaican black castor oil, and I also add a few drops of peppermint oil. This is what it looks like when I apply all the oils together. I then apply it on my hair, do a scalp massage to increase blood circulation. If you don't want to use the Amla oil with the harsh ingredients, you can make Amla oil yourself. You can make it with the powder form or with the fruit form. Here's a video I found on TikTok on how this girl makes her own Amla oil. There's also another method how you can make your own Amla oil, and it's from the fruit itself. This video is from YouTube from Sushmita's Diaries. She used the Indian gooseberries to make the Amla oil. This process takes a lot longer than the other method. To do this, you need a oil as base, and she used coconut oil, but if you don't like coconut oil, you can add olive oil. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, make sure to list them down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you in my next video. Bye guys.